Hi, how do you place a texture or a photograph onto your page background and then edit it? Well, just setting a texture or a photo as your page background is easy. You select the required bitmap from your hard drive and whilst holding down the Control key, drop it onto your Xara page. Easy. If, however, you Control drop the image onto the pasteboard, the pasteboard is this area all around your page, then this is the result. Now, that was a Control drop. The result is a pasteboard completely full of your image, but a page that's completely empty, so that's not what you want. If you drop the image onto your page without holding the Control key, it would simply be inserted into your document or your web page as an object, like this. Now, if that happens, the image will still be selected. Open the bitmap gallery. You'll see why in a moment. And click the red X on the toolbar, the delete button, to delete this image. When you click that red X to delete your image, Xara then goes to that image in the bitmap gallery if it is open. This shows you that deleting an image from the current page doesn't delete it from your Xara document. It's still available to you in the bitmap gallery, which is handy. Because now all you need to do is right click on the image and select Set Page Background. So, just to recap, two ways that you can set the page background. The first is to click on an image that's already in your bitmap gallery and to select Set Page Background. We'll do it with this one here. And the other way to do it is to select an image from your hard drive and Control drop onto the page. That's how to set the page background. The problem is that the image that we've now chosen is tiled on the page. And what I really wanted was for the image to fill the whole page. So how do we do that? Well, actually, once again in Xara, this is easy. Open the Page and Layer Gallery and you'll see that you have a locked layer called Page Background. Here's the Page and Layer Gallery and here is the layer called Page Background. If we click on it and click on the little arrow to open it up, you'll now see the contents of the Page Background layer, which here includes an object called Shadow Group. If you click on it, you will see the selection handles appear on your page. And there they are. These selection handles tell you that you can edit this image. With this image ripe for editing, let's first of all make the image fill the page. We do this using the Fill tool. Here's the Fill tool. And as you can see, on selecting the bitmap tool, the bitmap fill handles come up here, here, and here. The center handle moves the image. This is a tiled image, so we're moving one image, but of course all the others move with it. The horizontal or vertical handles rotate and or resize the image. Rotate and resize. If you click Control whilst dragging one of the handles, it constrains the direction, the angles, the rotation or the dimensions of the image, depending on exactly what you're doing. What we want to do here is to retain the proportions of the image whilst resizing it. So I start to drag this and then I click on Control. And as you can see, the proportions are retained, as is the orientation. So I'm just zooming in so we can see the entire page. What I want to do is to fill the entire page with this one image. There we are. Now that the image fills the entire page, we can still adjust it further if we want to, using the photo tool, for example. First of all, I'm going to make the image a little bit lighter. Next, I'm going to adjust the contrast. Just make it a little bit richer in saturation. And I'm going to blur it significantly. Now, I was playing with this image earlier and I found something that was very pleasing to the eye and that suited my purpose for this page. So I'm going to use the levels dialog, which is here. And I made a note of the settings. I'm going to set this at 50. This is 2. And this is 117. And now I am extremely happy with this because it's actually going to be the background for a horror film poster. So there you have it. If you now click on your layer, the page background is once again locked and you can start to build your website, leaflet, poster, whatever it is, over the top of this unique image.